This is the home page for our website. Here is the website logo, and we have created a nav bar with 3 menus: home, about us, and contact. When we click about us, it will scroll down to the bottom of the page where the information about the website is available in about us. The contact details, such as email and the phone numbers, are available in the contact. And there is a sign up box where the user can enter the password to sign in. If the new user is new to the website, they can click the sign up button, and it takes to the sign up page where they can enter the necessary details required for the registration, and then they can register. After registering, a message will be displayed that the registration is successful. So now the user can book the tickets by signing in the home page. After signing in, it takes to the station details page where the user can select the station from where they are departing from and the station they are going to arrive at, and the date of travel and the class, such as sleeper, AC first class. They can choose it, and then they can check for the trains available. Here are the trains available details, and they can choose the train they want to travel. And if they book the tickets, it takes to the passenger details page where the passengers who are going to travel's details can be added, and the mobile number, destination address, these details have to be given. And after giving payment, it takes to the payment page where the mode of payment through which the user wants to pay for the ticket can be selected and can be paid. And finally, a confirmation message that the tickets has been successful will be sent to the registered mobile number and the email ID of the user. And you can come back to the home page by clicking the. Thank you.